everything changed to me. In the year 2019, I was a boy who was fat enough to get bullied by other friends in our school. But then the lockdown came to India. The coronavirus was introduced to me, and I was playing games all day in my phone. I didn't used to attend the classes. I used to play too much games, like 9 to 10 hours a day only game. And then I used to watch movies and all. I used to sit in a particular place in my bed, and I used to never get up from my bed. Then, after lockdown, I went to my school and got teased by many people that I'm fat. After that, I have thought that I need to change. This is my last chance and my first chance to get change in myself. So, when I thought to change my life and personality, I was too fat and I was not able to tolerate that my friends, family, neighborhood, everyone used to tease me, and I had got something which was changing my life. It was the content I consumed. At that time, in my YouTube feed, I don't know, for the first time or sometime, I have got a video which told me about self improvement. And I was the most luckiest guy who got this video in my feed. And I have saw it, and that was the last time I have ever been fat. From that time, I have changed my life at a different level and a different speed. Like last 2 years ago, everyone used to tease me, and when now this year, like when 2024 gone, people saw a change in me. People were like shocked when they met me. Now I'm gonna tell you how I did it and how can you also change everything in your life. Just sit with me and listen to this. The thing I'm gonna tell you now is the most important thing you will ever hear. Go to your bathroom, see your belly, and then think, am I the one worthy to get all the things? Is your answer no? You have to be changed from the next day. You have to start working out a bit, just a bit. You tell yourself, I just to work out for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, when you complete your workout, uh, at whatever time you do, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, that's it, or even you do 1 hour, you tell yourself, I have gone to a next level heavy workout. Now, after you say this to your mind, your subconscious mind will say to your body, yeah, you have worked a lot. Now, get some rest and show the results of what I have said you. You have worked very high. So show the results of it and your body will react to what you say. And but the results won't be seen soon. You won't say it in 1 month, yeah, or maybe 1 month, but after 2 months, you will get the drastic incline in your physical features. Like you have decreased your fat mass, you have increased muscles, and you have got cuts and like the cuts you have in the bicep or abs, you will start seeing small differences in your body. At that time, you have to actually work a lot, then the incline will increase. And the biggest thing here, even if you stop working out after 2 years, nothing will change to you. I have tried this. Uh, I have worked until last 4 months, and from 4 months I haven't worked out for a single time, and my body is still same. I'm not telling to stop you, like after 2 years you stop. I'm not telling them. I have tried this personally, just for research and experiment. Don't do this, but you can decrease the level of workout you do. So the biggest advantage in this thing, after 2 years you don't need to do uh that much you no need to put that much efforts that you have put in your first day or the first month. Now when you get this, you will get comfortable. But listen, you don't have to get comfortable a lot. But listen, you don't need to get comfortable at all. Cause when you get comfortable, your body will start making changes. When you don't work out, but you have to roam around. Cause when you totally get to comfort, the body will get to its initial state where it was, like where it was fat, it will start going on there. Or even might you don't see differences in your body, the inner self of yours will have changes in your body, like your digestion, your metabolism, whatever things are there. So I think that's all for this video, and this was actually a biggest information you can get, cause no one will tell you this all. But remember one thing, you have to put the work in to get the results.